مرحبا, اسمي Adri. أنا في الصف السابع, and we're going to be introducing our 7th grade expedition. How is plastic pollution in the air, bodies of water affecting the marine life and the domesticated camel in the desert? How is plastic pollution in the air, bodies of water affecting marine life and the domesticated camel in the desert? Nathaniel Parker Willis said, "Pitch a lucky man into the Nile," says the Arabian proverb, "and he will come up with a fish in his mouth."
مرحبا اسمي حسان أنا في صف سابع. Plastic pollution poses a threat to marine life and camels in the Arab countries. يشكل التلوث البلاستيكي خطراً على الحياة البحرية والجمال في الدول الأرضية.
مرحبا اسمي Cassidy أنا في صف السابع. Fish and animals are dying from plastic pollution. Save marine life and save the camels. تموت السمك والجمال من التلوث البلاستيكي. انقذوا الحياة البحرية. انقذوا الجمال.
مرحبا اسمي خليل أنا في الصف السابع. Do not throw plastic into the Nile River and the Arabian desert. Thank you. لا ترموا البلاستيك في نهر النيل والصحراء الغربية. شكرا.
Marhaba, ismi Simi, Ana fi Saf al Sabar. Here are 4 facts about the Nile River. The Nile River is believed to be the longest river in the world. The Nile River passes through 9 African countries. The River Nile was sacred to the ancient Egyptians, and the annual floods make the banks of the River Nile very fertile. In Arabic, the Nile River is Nahar al-Nil, and Egypt is Masr.
مرحبا اسمي علي أنا في صف السابع. The importance of camels to the Arab culture. Camels are an important part of Arab culture that dates back to its roots. In the past, camels were said to be God's gifts to the Arabs, and the animals often made life in the desert possible, providing everything from transportation to clothes and even food. The camel is used for several purposes for which its role is essential. It is used for transporting goods and people as well as providing milk. Milk is often the only regular food source for its owners. The camel's meat, wool, and leather are also widely utilized. Camel in Arabic is Jamal, and Al-Sahara is the Sahara. Shukran.
Thank you for listening. Our expedition placing here on our river. Thank you for listening to our expedition.